update on Money Squared YouTube channel. Watch this video with 1.5 XP to save time. Let's go from a monthly perspective. Monthly, as you can see, we closed right at this level. We failed to break above and close above to have the highest monthly closure ever, but still it's a very strong monthly. We closed above the previous 4 months on a monthly time frame. That indicates a very high volume for buys on gold. Weekly, as of now, we closed bullish. We closed almost at this previous resistances, and now we made this very nice retracement for the past 4 days, and we can potentially see a resistance form to have a retracement on these previous 3 weeks and then continue to the upside, or find the overall resistance right over here. On a daily time frame, we were on this clean range here. We found resistance and now we're failing, but however we failed to close above this previous resistance. On the daily, I would have liked to close below here to continue further down, but I believe today we made this very nice wick, and if we come and break the daily lows, current daily lows, we can potentially fill this wick of the previous day. On the 4-hour time frame, let's see what we have. We have this support here, now can be turned. We have this range. Basically we are just like the previous one, just like this level. We are now inside this range, which is not very ideal. However, this 4-hour is just as we open in the first 30 minutes and we already engulfed the previous 4-hour candles, so that indicates that there is a resistance being formed. We can potentially take sells to the bottom of the range, but let's see. On the 2-hour time frame, we broke on the previous 2-hour lows, but we have this supports here that I don't like at all. There is 50 pips, 60 pip resistance, so I'm gonna put a level here. We need to close below here because this can be also just a wick, and I don't want to come back above. However, this is a resistance area, as you can see, previously acting as a resistance. This also here, this is all in the same line. So if we have a closure below here, and we can potentially take some sells because we have this clean traffic which we can mirror to the left, to the right side as well. Let's go to 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame is looking very nice, very nice. We're failing to break above. It's not too much volume to the upside. We broke the previous 4-hour lows, and if we close below here, I'm gonna take some sells, but we need a closure below and then breaking of the lows of the wicks. So let's see about that. Let's see. I think we also today we have some news on, or no, I think, tomorrow we have NFP. Today we don't have any new unemployment claim. Yeah, there are bad numbers. So yeah, gold down, dollar up. So let's see if we have a closure below here. If we have a closure below here, at least on 30 minutes, I will check on taking sells on the break of the lows of that closure candle. So yeah, 30 minutes is looking very nice. We have clean traffic also on 30 minutes. So yeah, that's about it for gold. GJ, let's go quickly on GJ from a monthly perspective. Monthly is now closed with no wick at the top. Previous month, this is not so good because it shows that there's not a lot of range. However, and gold broke down already. Let's see. Yeah, gold is breaking down. We need, it's just 30-minute closure, 3 minutes, and we're moving. We need a closure here. I'm not gonna rush into this trade or anything. Yeah, we need at least 30-minute closure for me to take sells. And let's go on GJ. GJ has no wick at the top, indicating not too much volume to the upside. However, we had this run up quickly Weekly is bullish inside this weekly range here. Is now breaking the highs, but also we broke the lows, so it's kind of indecision on a weekly, not clear view. Weekly and monthly didn't give us any clear view. As you can see on the last day, we just broke above here. Oh, I didn't. And close above with no wick, and then immediately came back inside this range on GJ. So as far as I'm concerned, inside this range is very tricky for me to trade, or it's very tricky for the higher time frame to give me a direction. We close above here, no wick at the top, we start rejecting, come back inside the range, nothing to look at for me. However, on the 4 hour we can see that we formed this support, and then we have this potential resistance. Here we have this range, but then you have this wicks, it's not so clean. Then you have these wicks, so buys on GJ for me maybe only if we have a closure above here and then we have a 1 hour small candle to take buys. But for sells, I'm gonna put an alert here, because if we come down and close below here on 1 hour or 30-minute time frame, we have all this clean traffic here to mirror to the left side to clean it. And 2 hour is the same. Let's see if 1 hour gives us anything. No, even 1 hour is, it's very tricky. We have this resistance here, but then this wick fails. We have this big range. We have this main resistance here. Not so clean, not so clean for buys for me to take trades and risk my capital. So yeah, all these wicks, you see closure above, come back inside, closure above, come back inside, closure above, come back inside. Now we're just inside this range, so I'm gonna wait for this alert. I'm more triggered to take sells than buys on GJ. And yeah, hope this video guys was helpful. Thank you for watching. Like and comment below your thoughts.